Were you aware that YouTube Studio has an AI feature built into it? Today, I'm going to go over the YouTube Ask Studio feature and how it's built into the YouTube Studio app to help new creators and seasoned creators both. Let's jump right into it. First, if you didn't know it was there, I'll show you how to get there. This little button here, if you're unfamiliar with the Gemini app application from Google, it's right here. You can hit this, and it has lots of questions that you can ask. You just talk to it like you would ask someone there sitting next to you that had reliable information about your YouTube channel. So, how does it work? It's Google's AI assistant built into Studio, and it's optimized to understand and read the data in YouTube Studio and to relate that information as clearly as possible to you, the creator. So, if you are a new creator and you're wanting to ask some questions, these are some common questions you might want to ask. And I've actually built this in a method that it will show you exactly what type of answers it may give you and give you some details here. If you don't understand what a type of jargon is in YouTube Studio, it can answer that. You can ask questions like this. Maybe you posted a video and you get no views, and it can go and kind of give you some information there and let you know that, hey, YouTube isn't out to get you. It's still trying to learn. You're a brand new creator. And then what should I focus on my first 5 videos? It's not going to give you exact details of what type of video to create, but it can give you pointers on what you need to work on. Now, it does have some features once you've posted several videos and it kind of understands your content. It can help suggest new content ideas whenever you start to get that brain fog and you just can't come up with something. You can ask Studio and it will help you. Now, what happens if you are a growing creator or you are a seasoned creator? There's lots of things here you can ask, and it will kind of go through some details and break out that information and actually give you some click through buttons that can show you exactly what's going on. And it will pinpoint it directly in the data to help you know what you may have done wrong, or even if it's just a normal video that you didn't do anything wrong, just sometimes they don't perform well. And it will kind of help pinpoint some of that information. So here, it's going to help you find where people stop watching your video and where they click off. And maybe you could start looking to see if you've got a common word, if you're going in conclusion or something like that, that makes people want to click away. And this is what I was saying. Here, what topic should I make my next video about? It can help suggest those type of topics because now it understands what your channel is about since you are a seasoned creator. So, mastering your prompts. For a new creator, you're going to ask things like, why did I only get 10 views on my last video? And it can help look at all that data, which there's not much whenever you only get 10 views, but it can help kind of dig through it a little bit and give you some pointers. What's the best time of day to post? This is huge. Knowing what niche you're in and when to post your video is very difficult, especially when you start as a new creator. And Ask Studio already knows all that information. There's hundreds of other people making the same niche or close to the same niche as you. And so being able to use the information that YouTube already has, it can tell you the exact hour and day of the week to post your videos. Help me understand click-through rate. So there's so many keywords or jargons or things that you don't know as a new creator. Whenever you click on YouTube Studio, there's just so much information, so much data there, and it's just hard to wrap your head around. And whenever you're on there, you can ask. and it will give you a definition, examples, and explain it in detail. If you still don't get it, just say, explain it to me like I'm a kindergartner, and it can go into a really nice, simple explanation instead of going deep diving into something that may still be kind of over your head because you're so new at this. And so it really does help. As a growing creator, you can actually do things like this: compare the retention of my last 3 videos. What is the common drop off point? And so that helps you compare your last 3 videos, something that may take you a couple hours to go through. It can find it in a few seconds and really explain to you, okay, so this is common between all 3 videos. This is where they're all kind of clicking off. And so now you can go back and look at those videos, watch that time period, and find out what you were doing that maybe caused someone to click off. What terms bring up the most non-subscribers traffic to my channel? So this really helps you once you've got a niche set and you're starting to get views from those search queries. This will allow you to know which ones are bringing in the most non-subscribers, so you know what topic to make your video on next. Identify the top 3 topics my audience has engaged with the most this month. So if you've created a lot of videos, now YouTube can actually pull those top 3 topics and let you know if it's the right topic to continue on. If you can make more material on that because it's doing really well and people are really wanting to watch it, then you can go ahead and continue to create more on that. All right, now it's your turn. Down below, I need you guys to type in your niche. So I'm going to say tech and post it below. That way, everyone knows what type of niche we are watching and what type of niche we are as a community and what we're all working on. Don't forget to like and subscribe and then hit that bell icon. And I'll just leave this on the screen for a minute. This is 25, things that you may want to ask Studio as a new creator. And this is 25 things as a seasoned creator you may want to ask. So go ahead, pause the video, do as you like. You can copy, paste them, write them down, however you need to. These are great questions to help you out as a creator and put it in your toolkit to be able to be successful on this channel. I appreciate it, and I'll see you on the next one.